America is a tune, it must be sung together. I like to see a man proud of the place in which he lives. I like to see a man live so that his place will be proud of him. Where liberty dwells, there is my country. My favorite thing about the United States, lots of Americans, one America. America means opportunity, freedom, power. Give me liberty or give me death. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. We hold our heads high despite the price we have paid, because freedom is priceless. Our country is not the only thing to which we owe our allegiance. It is also owed to justice and to humanity. Patriotism consists not in waving the flag, but in striving that our country shall be righteous as well as strong.